Hello friends, welcome to Ekdanth Environment Education. Today we are going to see the subject solid waste management and it's a very much important subject from exam point of view. अगर आप कोई भी एग्ज़ाम्स देते हैं है ना, या तो आप सिविल से दे रहे हैं या तो एनवायरनमेंट से दे रहे हैं, तो आपको सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे मिलेंगे. कोई भी एग्ज़ाम्स दीजिए आपको सॉलिड वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट के क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे ही मिलेंगे. So this is a very important subject from any exam point of view. Moving ahead, welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends. You will get all the environment engineering related subject lectures, videos on this platform. And apart from that, we are the material will be very much useful for all the state public service examinations also. Okay. Moving ahead with the important topics, today's topic is important policy landmarks and the initiatives on the solid waste management. What were the important policy landmarks and the initiatives that were taken in the field of the solid waste management? So these are the important policies and landmarks. Moving ahead with these things, rules, policies, schemes and the financial plans, in which year they came into effectively, that all are mentioned over here. So make sure that one question will be there from this sections. If you look after the previous year gate 2023 paper, you will find that such question was there in that paper. Apart from that, other exam also contain 1 to 2 marks questions related to this topics. So it's a very much important topic from exam point of view. So moving ahead with this topic, the first one is in 1989 the hazardous waste rules and act. There is much difference between the act and the rules. Okay, so we will look after that thing into the next lecture. Just right today we are going to see just the year in which it was came. 1989 the hazardous waste rules. Okay, next in the bracket you can find that M and H, it is management and handling. Okay, the hazardous waste management and handling rules 1989. After that, in 1994, municipal solid waste management strategy paper by NEERI was released, in which they have taken the research on the municipal solid waste. What is the compositions of the municipal solid waste, what is the percentage, how much percentage the organic, inorganic and all other waste are it composed of. So they have made a research paper on that thing and they have published by the NEERI. You all know, very much aware about that if you are from the field of environment. Next, in 1995, JS Bajaj Committee was formed on the urban solid waste management to analyze the solid waste management, how to do the solid waste management in the urbans. The JS Bajaj Committee was formed. Next, in 1998, biomedical management and handling rules came into effectively. Supreme Court has appointed the Burman Committee on these things. Okay, next, in the year 2000, municipal solid waste management and handling rules was come. सी आप बहुत ही कंफ्यूज होंगे क्योंकि देखिए सबसे जो पहला था 1989 वाला. 1989 में आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं कि ये था हैजार्डियस वेस्ट का, राइट. This is your hazardous waste management and rules, and last one is your municipal solid waste management and handling rules. So these two are very much different. Okay, so these things must be kept in your mind while study these things. Okay, moving ahead, in the year 2000, CPHEEO manual on municipal solid waste was released. What is this thing? CPHEEO manual. This is very much important. Okay, which manual was introduced and when it was introduced on municipal solid waste. So this is the by the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Okay, next, on 2025 report of the Technology Advisory Group on Solid Waste Management, then JNNM URM 40 MSW project for 65 cities was conducted. After that, 632 projects, that means the survey was conducted related to the municipal solid waste under UIDSSMT 51. Okay, next, in 2006, strategy and action plan using the use of compost in cities was came into actions. Next, in 2007, 11th 5-year plan was introduced, and in that the budget for the municipal solid waste management was 2210 crore. Now comes in 2008 National Urban Sanitation Policy was framed, service level benchmark in MSWM was framed, hazardous waste management handling and transboundary movement rules came into effective in 2008. Okay, in 1989 it was hazardous waste management and handling rules, and in 2008 it's the hazardous waste management handling and transboundary movement. Transboundary movement means the movement of the hazardous waste from one state to other state or one country to other country. So this is your transboundary movement. Next, in 2010 13th Financial Commission was established, and that they have established the standards for delivery of essential services. In 2011 plastic waste management and handling rules was introduced. Apart from that, e-waste management and handling rules and the drafted biomedical management and handling rules were introduced. In 2014 Swachh Bharat Mission October. So today is also a Swachh Bharat mission, right? So how much years? 9 years completed, right? So friends, these are the important topics. Say for example, if in gate 2024 question was will be there that on which year the Swachh Bharat mission was introduced. So it was in 2014. Why? Because this mission recently completed 9 years. So may chances comes that in upcoming examinations you will find this question that in which year Swachh Bharat mission was there. So it was 2014. Okay, moving ahead, in 2016 waste management rules 2016 comprising of solid waste management rules, plastic waste management rules and e-waste management rules. All these rules came into effective into the picture in 2016. Okay, very much important. Nowadays you all know aware very much that EV, we are very much talking about the topic electric vehicles. So whenever the electric vehicle come into the picture, e-waste management rules will come into the picture. So the very first one was 2016, and now many amendments are going on, and in that amendments EPR is introduced. What is EPR? EPR is the extended producer responsibility. That means they are the responsibility of the producer and the recycler to uh, to mm, brought that brought that product into back to the cycle. मीन्स EPR की मदद से हम जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोड्यूसर्स या रिसाइकलर्स होते हैं, जो भी प्रोड्यूस करते हैं या मैन्युफैक्चर करते हैं, उस प्रोडक्ट को वापस से एक साइकिल के अंदर पहुंचाना वो उनकी जिम्मेदारी होती है, ना कि कहीं भी उसको एक सी फॉर एग्जांपल कोई भी प्रोड्यूसर उसको प्रोड्यूस करके छोड़ नहीं सकता, राइट? उसको फिर क्या करना होता है कि कंज्यूमर के पास जाएगा, कंज्यूमर उसको यूटिलाइज़ करेगा, यूटिलाइज़ करने के बाद उसके एंड लाइफ के बाद उसको वापस से एक रिसाइकलर को देगा, सो डैट वो रिसाइकलर वापस से उस प्रोड्यूसर के पास ही भेजेगा उसको न्यू करने के लिए, या तो फिर उसको डिसमेंटल करके एक न्यू प्रोडक्ट फ्रेम करने के लिए. सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉपर साइकिल एंड दिस इज़ व्हाट EPR. सो EPR अभी बहुत ही अमेंडमेंट आ रहा है EPR से रिलेटेड इन प्लास्टिक वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, ई वेस्ट, बैटरी वेस्ट and all that things. Okay, so keep that thing also in your mind. Next, in 2016 hazardous and other waste management and transboundary movement rules, and apart from that the biomedical waste management rules and CND waste management rules came into the picture. Now what is CND? CND is the construction and demolition waste management rules 2016. So these are the some of the year-wise policies, rules, acts, schemes and financial plans. Very much important from exam point of view, so you must keep these things in your mind and daily revise these things so that it will not be difficult for you to remember in the examinations. So this was the today's topic from Ekdanth Environment Education. Thanks for watching it, and please like and subscribe the channel, friends.